Section LO9, Team 4, Power Pressure Plate.
Before coming up with our solution, we had to address some of the problems that were brought up. Global warming is one of the biggest threats humanity has ever faced, largely caused by carbon emissions. This problem threatens ecosystems globally, affecting billions of people. The biggest contributor to global warming is electricity generation of fossil fuels. While renewables are becoming more widespread, issues with their technologies prevent them from being adopted in place of fossil fuels. In order to prevent global warming from developing into an extinction event, a new form of renewable energy is needed that avoids issues of current renewable sources. A study by MIT shows that people don't find current renewable technology visually appealing, such as looking outside and seeing wind turbines or solar panels instead of natural scenery. Current renewable energy relies on weather, which is not consistent, and most renewable sources, such as solar panels and wind turbines, require a certain amount of wind or sunlight to produce energy.
Our proposed solution is the power pressure plate. It is designed to go underneath roads and generates electricity using energy from vehicular traffic by turning the downward motion of the pressure plate into rotational energy to generate electricity. It has several advantages over current renewable energy sources. The technology is hidden, so there's no need to worry about the technology looking unappealing to locals. The power output is also more reliable than current renewable energy sources, as traffic patterns can be predicted more accurately than weather. And the last advantage it has over current renewables is that it provides more towns with access to renewable energy, especially in areas where weather conditions aren't adequate for current renewable sources.
So here are our conclusions. Our current model is safe to use, requiring only periodical maintenance. The steel used to make the structure won't experience a high enough stress amplitude to cause fatigue failure. The only component that will eventually experience fatigue failure will be the springs after about 5 years of use. The pressure plate system will be primarily purchased by power companies or governments, often working jointly to achieve their goals of lessening emissions. Other smaller markets would be private companies such as gas stations or drive-thrus. Our part is profitable even with smaller markups. Using an investment simulation and charging about 150% of the total cost to produce a project, enough revenue is generated after 19 months to make the company profitable. Over 10 years of operation, the company is able to generate a net present value of over $2 million.
These are our recommendations for the project. The data shown on this graph shows that the project has the potential to solve the problem at hand. Transportation is important in today's world. Incorporating sustainability into it is even more important. This product could be a great way to do that. It would be a valid investment for companies. Of course, there will need to be more testing to ensure safety and efficiency. However, this could be very useful in growing the future of transportation.